Everybody, I'm Josip from China. I'm here at the Forklift factory. You can see these hard-working, dedicated workers who are making beautiful forklifts for your daily use. Very beautiful, isn't it? From the piece of metal until the final products which you use daily in your warehouses, on your construction sites, and anywhere else. If you need any, please contact me. Bye.